good morning. How are you all today? Pleasant day. Welcome back to Action Vlogs. And first of all, happy National Day. Happy Qatar National Days, guys. How are you all going today? Look at the crazy weather out here. It's just crazy. It's getting crazy. And behind me, you can see, yes, man, today is Qatar National Day. And here we are preparing for the ride. Actually, the whole bikers in Qatar is joining for this ultimate ride for the National Day, guys. Don't miss this out. Check out the full video. And I'm here without words. So guys, this is not just about bikes. There are crazy modified jeeps, cars as well as with us. So this is not just about bikes, guys. All over the people, all over the bikers from Qatar is actually joining here. I'm not joking. You just see behind me what it is. So guys, you all know all these faces. Okay, so this is the tribe club. They are here. The masters are here. Hi Jatai. നമ്മുടെ പ്രശാന്ത് ഭായ് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, നമ്മുടെ കണ്ണൻ ഭായ് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, എൽജോ ജാൻ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് അടിച്ചു പൊളിക്കാനുള്ള പ്ലാനിലാണ്. ഇന്നല്ലേ തകർക്കുമല്ലേ? യെസ് യെസ്. അപ്പോൾ അവരുടെ ഗ്യാങ് ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ട്രൈബിൻ്റെ. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ട്രൈബ്സ് ഗ്യാങ്. ഓൾ ആർ ഹിയർ. ഓൾ ആർ back side. And as you can see behind me, there's a mass numbers of bikes and still they are coming in. And look at this. Guys, this is going crazy. If you are seeing this, please press the subscribe button and please smash the like button. This is crazy, guys. Bikes are just joining and crazy modified jeeps over there and bikes over here. This is gonna be awesome. Hi. What's up?
How are you?
I'm good. So guys, this is the condition now. Look at this, full of mud. Because I told you, right, the climate is very, you know, it's like raining, stopping, raining, stopping. In between it is too much raining and all the muds are there on the bikes. It's, guys, it's getting amazing and it is cold. How is the climate?
Super, very cold.
Very cold. It's getting out. Okay, so look at all these things, guys. All are ready with the flags. Whoops. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at all the beauties over here, guys. There are so many bikes. You name them. Again, I'm saying you name them. I have them all here. Look at that. So actually the parade will be going, I think, in the evening. I don't know the exact time. There will be parade going on in the Corniche area. So all these helicopters are actually, I think, addressing that area. So here are some beasties over here. The Jeep team. So guys, this is the Jeep team. I don't know, actually they haven't put up their the gang name or the club name. So there are many gathered here, many gathered here. On the way there will be big rally, guys. Guys, this is our pretty R1 here. All are waiting for this and many of them out there, I know they're fans for the R1. So I got it back. And right beside we have the Booza. And I don't know, guys, so many Harley, Indian, so many are there, so many other. You guys just So guys, they're ready to leave. Actually now the toolbox talk, or you can see the rider talk, is going on. So after the ride, this talks and some photo shoots will be there. After that they will be leaving. So see the crowd guys, it is over here. And here come. You know him very well, you had seen his vlog also. Hi, so how are you?
Fine.
Everything going well? You're at the ride, you're enjoying it?
Naturally.
See though. And Bhai is actually enjoying it too much. Exactly.
And guys, if you're watching this, please don't forget to subscribe and support this guy. He's doing a pretty good job. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
See, I did not pay for this. See, I did not pay.
It is clearly free of cost. Okay, it's not paid.
Okay, thank you.
Metro station signal light, then we will take it left again up to the Ansar Gallery signal light. We will take it right again.
We are moving from here, and actually it started to rain a little bit, not really hard. So as you can see, people are, so all the bikes are up, and I cannot speak, you cannot hear. So all the bikes are out there from the road. Let's see on the road. So this is gonna be crazy. I don't know you guys, my voice is up. It's crazy guys. is full with bikers. Hundreds of bikers. Guys, look at this guy, this monster. Once again, happy Qatar National Day to each and every one of you. Thank you to this prosperity land. Thank you to this beautiful land for giving us all of the opportunity. And so it's time for me to wind up, guys. So the ride is over and it started to rain also. So I'll be coming up with a beautiful vlog in the next time. So until we meet the next time, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And until we meet the next time, this is your boy Jithin signing out. Bye bye.